This channel made $41,000 last year. Yeah, no filming, no editing, no face on camera. One Tuesday, it vanished. Gone in the time it takes to read an email. Person who built it did everything right. Here's the one thing nobody selling you Faceless YouTube tells you. Faceless review channels are real money. Breton Tech passed 1 million subs reviewing software, never showed his face. But every one of these channels owns exactly one thing: the channel. No website, no list, nothing outside a platform that can change its mind. YouTube already said it's cracking down on mass-produced content. Build this the normal way, and you're one email from losing everything. NoFace AI takes one product link and builds 3 assets at once. A faceless review video posted to YouTube, TikTok, Shorts, and Reels. A real website underneath it. Indexed ranking, pulling Google traffic no platform can touch, and an email list quietly growing from everyone who watches before they ever click your affiliate link. A video is one sale. A website is a shop that stays open. A list is a customer who comes back. If the channel ever gets banned, 2 of your 3 assets don't even notice. Paste a link. JB Zoo, ClickBank, Warrior Plus. AI profiles the product, writes a natural 2-voice review, records it, captions it, builds thumbnails. One click publishes it to 4 platforms. And your website and list start building in the background. Flip on auto mode, and it does this daily, forever. You get the full video engine, the auto-build site, the email capture layer, 4 platform publishing, commercial rights, plus 11 bonuses on product shortlist, swipe files, thumbnail packs, live training. Real value, $5,879. Today, $14. 30 days to try it. Publish, rank, grow your list, get paid. Don't like it? Full refund, no hoops. Price goes up as this fills. What you lock in today, you keep forever. Click below. Get your first video, website, and subscriber live, all from one link. Today, get instant access. 30-day guarantee, Maj, no monthly fees.